Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. This is Sabrina Islam, Assistant Teacher, Bogura Cantonment Public School and College. Welcome to today's class. Today I am going to take your class from English for Today, recommended for class 9. Before going to the text, I want to show you some pictures. So let's see the pictures. First one, the second one, and the third one. Here we can see two persons and a place. Do you know the persons? Okay, let me give you some clues. Both of them were Bengali revolutionary, and the place is remarkable for a signboard that read "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Yes, she is Pritilata Waddedar. The place is Pahartori European Club, and the man is Surya Sen. And we are going to read the text from Unit 10, Lesson 4. They had dreams too. Before going through the passage, we are going to find out the meaning of some new words. First one is meritorious, that means praiseworthy or excellent. Movement, that means activity. Colonial rule, a rule by the powerful nation over a weaker country. Gradually, that means slowly or in a gradual way. Assigned, appointed or set aside for a specific purpose. So now, to know more about Pritilata Waddedar, we are going to read out the passage. Pritilata was born in Chittagong on May 5 in 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khasegi Government Girls School in Chittagong and Eden College, Dhaka. She finally graduated philosophy with distinction from Bethany College in Kolkata. In the day of her college, she was the activist in anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamt of two things: a society without gender discrimination, and her motherland without British colonial rule. So, she received combat training to fight against the British rule. Soon after, she became the head teacher of Nandokanon Apurna Charan in Chittagong. Gradually, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and activist in Chittagong area that time. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartori European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign, "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Surya Sen assigned Pritilata to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Pritilata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for the freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream came true. The British rule came to an end, though she couldn't see it during her lifetime. Now, we will choose the best answer from the alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following has the closest meaning of the word meritorious used in the line 1? The options are A. Dull, B. Weak, C. Brilliant, D. Bad. And the answer is C. Brilliant. Question number 2. When was Pritilota an activist? The options are A. After student life, B. Before student life, C. During student life, and D. In service life. The answer is during student life. Question number 3. Pritilota fought to free her motherland from A. The British colonial rule, B. The Pakistani rule, C. Socialism, D. Dictatorship. And the answer is the British colonial rule. Number 4. Which of the following statement is true about Surya Sen? Option A. Surya Sen had an artillery regiment. B. Surya Sen had an armed resistance movement. C. Surya Sen had a civil defense regiment. And D. Surya Sen had an attacking force. The answer is Surya Sen had an armed resistance movement. Question number 5. Which of the following words describe the rate of the European club best? The options are A. Unsuccessful, B. Fruitful, C. Abundant, and D. postponed. The answer is B. Fruitful. Question number 6. The word notorious in the passage stands for A. Famous, B. Infamous, C. Popular, D. Prominent. And the answer is infamous. And the last question is avoid could be the best replaced by A. Respond, B. Face, C. Meet, D. Escape. And the answer is D. Rescape. Now we will discuss on some questions and their answer. Question number 1. What did Pritilota dream all through her life? The answer is all through her life Pritilota dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland without British colonial rule. Question number 2. Who was Surya Sen? The answer is Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and activist in Chittagong area that time. Question number 3. What did Pritilota prove sacrificing herself? Answer is Pritilota proved sacrificing herself that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for the freedom from the British colonial rule. Question number 4. What was Pritilota's profession? The answer is she was a head teacher of a school. The last question is what is your learning from Pritilota's life? And the answer is we can learn from her life that anyone, male or female, can do anything for his or her country. Now students, it is time for your homework. In page number 158, there is a column matching and some questions. You have to match the column and answer the questions. Thank you for staying with me. Goodbye.